If you're watching this, you've probably thought, I just want a way to make money that's not another scam. It's not a second job, and it doesn't require tech skills or dancing on TikTok. Good news, that's exactly what I'm about to show you. I'm going to walk you through how a digital business actually works, what it is, and what it's not. And no, I didn't have to sell essential oils to my cousin or post motivational quotes 19 times a day. What even is a digital product? Let's dumb this all the way down because I needed someone to do that for me when I started. A digital product is something that people will pay for. Get that product immediately online. There's no shipping, no physical item, no post office trips with 3 screaming kids. It could be anything from a quick guide, a checklist, a training video, a system, or even access to a program that teaches them something valuable. And guess what? People pay for this stuff every single day because it helps them solve problems. Instead of Amazon packages, they get an email. Boom, instant delivery, 100% profit. The problem with most side hustles. You try surveys, you try affiliate links, you may even try flipping stuff on Facebook Marketplace, but none of that is sustainable. It's a grind. You're always chasing the next task, the next $5. You don't want another job. You just want freedom. You want flexibility and income that doesn't eat up your life. Why is this system different? Here is what changed everything for me. I found a system. It will give you a ready-to-go digital products and the training to promote them. That means you don't have to create products. You don't have to code anything. You don't have to be a marketing genius. It's like walking into a store where everything's already built, and all you have to do is open the doors and invite the people in. You get your own funnel, which is just a set of simple web pages that guide someone from curiosity to interest to then buying a product. You share your link, they click, they see your offer, they buy, and you get paid. Okay, but what does a normal day look like with this? Here's what I actually do. I spend only about 2 hours a day creating simple content or sharing my link. I check in with a support group or training, and I keep my phone nearby in case someone needs help. And I respond to comments, and that's it. There's no DMs, no chasing people, no setting up Shopify stores or complicated ads, just real conversations, content, and connection. Honestly, I do most of it while I'm wearing my sweatpants and trying to keep the dog from eating snacks out of my purse. Who is this for? If you're burnt out and you're rebuilding like I was, if you're scared to waste money but more scared of wasting more time, this is for you. If you want to build income that fits into your day, it doesn't take over your day, this is for you. If you want to actually learn real digital marketing skills, not just hustle harder for less, this is for people who are done waiting and are ready to start moving forward. I have something called the Digital Business Blueprint, and it's completely free. It walks you through the exact steps that I followed to start from scratch, with no tech skills, no budget, and barely enough time to breathe. You can grab it using the link in the description, and it's also pinned in the comments below. There's absolutely no pressure, it's just information. Download your free blueprint now. You don't have to have it all figured out. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. This system, it gave me my confidence back. It gave me a plan that I could follow. And it gave me a real way to build income around my real life. Let's go.